Hello, I'm Subhadra Mailsamy, Managing Partner at AK Mailsamy and Associates, specializing in AI technology laws. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that's rapidly becoming central to corporate governance and innovation: trustworthy AI. As AI systems have become integrated into our businesses and daily lives, ensuring their trustworthiness isn't just an ethical responsibility, it is a strategic imperative. But with numerous frameworks and guidelines emerging globally, understanding and implementing trustworthy AI can be overwhelming. So let's break it down. At its core, trustworthy AI refers to systems that are reliable, safe, and developed without causing adverse consequences to individual groups or society. While there is no universally accepted definition, the common principle emerges across leading guidelines like organizations of European Commission, UNESCO, and the recent UK and US governmental papers have laid down the key principles, which are fairness, transparency and explainability, accountability, privacy and data governance, safety and robustness, human autonomy and oversight. Now, so why should the corporates prioritize these principles? Firstly, consumer trust. In an era where data breaches and algorithmic biases can severely damage reputations, demonstrating commitment to trustworthy AI builds and maintains consumer confidence. Secondly, regulatory compliance. Governments worldwide are moving towards stricter AI regulations, proactively aligning with trustworthy AI principles, positioning your organization ahead of compliance requirements, reducing the legal risks. Thirdly, competitive advantage. Companies have effectively implemented trustworthy AI, can innovate faster and enter markets more securely, leveraging AI's full potential while mitigating the risks. Now, implementing these principles isn't an abstract. There are practical tools and frameworks available today. For example, in United States, Microsoft has brought out the Microsoft's Counterfeit, a command line tool assisting engineers in identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities in AI models. IBM's AI Fairness 360 and AI explainability toolkits provide metrics and algorithms to detect bias and improve transparency in AI systems. In the UK, the focus has been more on procedural tools, establishing guidelines and best practices for AI governance. For example, the DSIT's online portfolio offers examples and methodologies to assess and communicate AI systems' trustworthiness across various use cases. Even non AI companies have developed internal guidelines to govern AI use. Rolls Royce's Althea framework is a toolkit addressing social impact, transparency, and governance in AI deployment. So, for effective implementation, a collaborative and inclusive approach is essential. So, here are some key steps for the corporates: engage with your stakeholders, collaborate with governments, businesses, civil societies, and academia to stay informed and contribute to the evolving AI standards. Systematically capture and share learnings. Document experiences and lessons learned from AI deployments to continuously improve your practices. Adopt a common vocabulary. Utilize consistent terminology to ensure clear communication and understanding across all levels of your organization. Incorporate assessment processes. Regularly evaluate your AI systems using established tools to understand and enhance their trustworthiness and effectiveness. Invest in resources. Allocate appropriate data and computing power to support and democratize trustworthy AI development within your organization. Beyond tools and processes, embedding ethical considerations into your AI strategies is crucial. Frameworks like AI for People have principles established such as beneficence, promoting well being and environmental sustainability, ensuring privacy and security, preserving prosperity and solidarity, and also making AI decision making process understandable. So by integrating these ethical dimensions, organizations can ensure that their AI initiatives not only comply with regulations but also contribute positively to the society. So to conclude, navigating the landscape of trustworthy AI is complex but undeniably necessary. By proactively embracing these principles, utilizing available tools, and fostering collaborative efforts, corporates can harness AI's transformative power responsibly and sustainably. We are committed here to guide your business through this journey, ensuring that your AI innovations are not only cutting edge but also trustworthy and compliant. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's build together an AI enabled future that we can all trust and benefit from. Thank you once again. Bye bye.